Here I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings, then scroll down and choose here language and input. Select here language from the top of the screen, and here you can use the following list of languages. In my case, let me switch my language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Espanol, and now you've got the Spanish version of your device, so the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version to the English one, let's choose here Ajustes, then let's scroll down and select Idioma y traducción de texto, type idioma again, and let's choose English, for instance, from United States. Alright, so that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in English. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.